Hey guys, welcome to today's video. So today is my nighttime skincare routine using the Medicube HR Booster Pro. So I use this device in my morning skincare routine and in my nighttime skincare routine. I don't have any makeup on because I actually didn't wear makeup today. I'm not going to do 2 cleanses, but I'm going to show you what I use if I were to be wearing makeup. So I am going to first start with this hand skin pore cleansing oil. This is probably one of my favorite things to use to remove makeup. I do also love the ITK Milk Foam Gentle Cleanser. This is another great one to remove makeup. Since I don't have any makeup on today, I am just going to go straight in with my ITK cleanser. So this is the ITK Milk Foam Gentle Cleanser. So I'm going to squirt some on my palm and then just get it wet and then start cleansing the face. And I do have these little like wrist things on just to catch the water so it doesn't run down my arms. So I like to start with a clean face before I go in with the Medicube and with no other skincare products on because they go right. The first mode I do is the air shot mode. So I really get my face completely dry. Okay, so this is the only mode that I only use for my nighttime skincare routine. And I do use every single mode for my nighttime skincare routine. It's just this mode I only use at nighttime, which is the air shot mode.
Air shot mode, level 1.
So I usually do level 2. So I'm going to make sure my face is completely dry and then I'm ready to start doing this mode. I do about a minute on each side. So I focus on one side first and then for a minute and then I do the other side.
1 minute passed.
Okay, so that was 1 minute. Now I'm going to do the other side.
2 minutes passed.
Alright, so 2 minutes are up. Now I'm going to go into a face mask. So one of my favorite face masks is the ITK color changing face mask. So I leave this on for about 10 minutes. Alright, I'll see you back in 10 minutes. Alright, now that the face mask is washed off, I'm going to go in with a toner now. I'm going to take the ITK Triacid Toner. So I'm going to apply it using a cotton pad. Okay, I'm going to use Medicube again, and I'm going to do the microcurrent mode.
Microcurrent mode.
And then have it at level 2.
1 minute passed.
So sometimes the other side absorbs when I'm doing it. I like to reapply the toner, and I do the same thing to the other side. Okay, so now it's time for some serums. So I'm first going to go in with vitamin C serum. I really love the ITK Brightening Vitamin C Serum. This is one of my favorites, like I said. So I'm going to apply this to the entire face. And I'm just going to pat that into my skin. And I'm also going to go down the neck. Okay, so I actually use 2 serums. So this is the Biossance Squalane and plus peptide, copper peptide rapid plumping serum. I'm still testing it out and I really do like it so far. So this is when I start using the booster mode on the Medicube. And I pretty much do everything on a level...
Booster mode, level 1.
And I pretty much do everything on a level 2. I'm gonna do the same thing. Next is an eye cream. Now, I can't find the one that I'm testing out. I don't know where it is. I have to find it. But instead, I'm going to use the ITK Day Plus Night Eye Cream Duo. I'm going to use the nighttime side. I'm going to do an acne treatment. Well, this is an acne treatment spray from ITK. This is the ITK Blemish Treatment Mist. So I'm going to shake it up and just spray it where I need it. The last product, well actually no, it's not the last product. Next I'm going to go in with a moisturizer. I'm going to use the Medicube Collagen Jelly Cream. With the last mode that we're going to use, the final mode that we're going to use is the Derma Shot mode. And I use a very small amount of this. I love that it comes with the little spatula, it's so cool.
Derma Shot mode, level 1.
And then again, I'm going to go into level 2. And on this mode, I do about 2 passes of each side, and I also go on the shoulder as well. So I only do this mode for about a minute, but I do 2 passes on each side. I'm also going to include body care because I've been doing it a little bit differently for nighttime. So for the last step for the skincare is a lip treatment. So I'm going to take the Ravie Beauty Lip Renewal Treatment Oil. I am getting another one in the mail because I absolutely love this product. It's probably one of my favorite products from Ravie Beauty. And I'm so excited to try the brow pencil too. That should be coming on Friday with the new lip renewal treatment oil that I ordered, which I'm so excited about. Okay, the thing that I've been doing differently for my body for nighttime is I've been starting with a body oil. This is the Osea Undaria Algae Body Oil. And I just apply this to my entire body, pretty much only my arms and legs. Okay, so I've been absolutely loving this body conditioner or body lotion from Lush. This is the Rose Argan Body Conditioner. Like I said, it's my favorite. I'm gonna go on top of the body oil with this, just to seal in body oil. Okay, that was it for my nighttime skincare / body care routine. See you guys tomorrow morning for my morning skincare routine.